Hello guys. Today I'm going to teach you how to solve a very common problem. You put your cell phone on to charge, but it doesn't charge. So before I show you how to solve the problem, leave your like because it helps us a lot, and subscribe to the channel. This problem occurs because when you carry your cell phone in your pocket, for example, dirt enters the charging connector, causing it to have a bad contact when charging. To solve this problem, you will need a very fine needle and a very small piece of cotton. Start running the connector carefully so as not to damage the charging connector. Excessive dirt also causes the charger to not fit properly. Try to pass all possible parts of the connector. After cleaning the connector well, try to recharge it for the first time, using a charger with 2 to 5 amps, as this way the battery will receive a higher initial discharge, and if it is in trouble it will return to charging correctly. After the first charge, you can use a charger with a lower amperage without any problem, but the higher the amperage of your charger, the faster it will recharge. So that's today's tip. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video.